These are the top 3 dogs that almost never bark. Number 1 will shock you. Third on our list is the Basenji. This dog is literally known as the barkless dog. They don't bark. They make a funny yodel sound. Super quiet, super clean, and perfect for apartments. Second one is the Shiba Inu. Shibas are calm, independent, and barely vocal. They only make noise when they're extremely excited or annoyed. A chill dog that minds its own business. Before top 1, comment which dog you think is the quietest and hit subscribe for more. And number 1, the Greyhound. Greyhounds are surprisingly silent. They sleep most of the day, they rarely bark, and they're incredibly gentle. One of the quietest dog breeds on the planet.